Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad, Easter Sunday. He is risen and all that good stuff. Not a whole lot planned today. Gonna go over and hang out with the family a little bit later. I'm gonna cook some stuff to take it over there for a little Easter lunch. That should be tasty and good. I might get a few Easter baskets still. That's a thing that happens to me, even though I'm an adult. Fingers crossed. If I don't get it, we're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a big problem if I don't get an Easter basket from at least one of my households. Yeah, but just a general fun, easy Sunday on the docket. Still kind of upset about that Nashville SC game last night against Toronto. It just, this was a lame duck of a game. That's not the right term in this situation, but just as boring. Just nothing really creative coming out of either team, really, for the most part. I will say at this point in the season, I think the safest bet that you can just lock in each and every week, if you're a gambler, whatever the under is on Nashville SC matches, you can bet that every single game and it's probably going to cash, because just between us not being able to create anything but our defense being kind of solid, no goals get scored in Nashville SC matches. So go ahead and lock that in for next match day. Book it. I got to go downstairs. Sissy wanted something. I think she might have an Easter basket for me.
All right, here we go. It's my Easter gift from Sissy. What do we have? It feels kind of heavy. Oh. We have got, World's Best Tasting Gummies Super Mix. Spring Bears and Assorted Spring Gummies. This says World's Best Tasting. Do you believe it, Jessica?
I haven't tried them, so I can't determine that yet.
We're going to have to check it out and see what it is.
The funny packaging.
And then we also have Jelly Belly. 20 flavors of jelly beans. Thank you, Sissy.
You're welcome.
Oh,
I got the same. Remember she said it was the same?
This is mine? These are mine?
Mine is not the same because Matt got extra.
I get these? This is my basket too?
No, that's the baby's.
This is mine? I get a Squishmallow?
No, that's the baby.
Squishmallow for me? I got a Squishmallow.
Okay, here we go. Taste test. Happy Yummies, World's Best Tasting Gummies. I don't know if I buy it. Let's find out. That's a pretty tasty gummy. I don't know if I'd say the world's best tasting, but that's a solid gummy candy treat. Delicious. Thanks again, Sissy.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mommy.
All right, so for Easter lunch, I've been tasked with cooking carrots and the asparagus tart. I think I made that at like Thanksgiving, or did I say Christmas in this video? Or did I say Easter? I don't know. Today's Easter. But I gotta make the asparagus tart and the carrots. I think I've made the asparagus tart before on like Christmas or Thanksgiving on the channel, and of course last year on Easter. I don't know. I'll throw the recipe up here. It's really simple. Both are really easy to cook, so whip this up real quick and then head to the folks' house.
Carrots, fresh out of the oven.
Need a little finishing salt. Finally got a nice string of days so we can take the top down on the Jeep. Supposed to be getting up into like the 80s this week in Nashville. Although weather here is crazy, it can change on a dime, so for all we know we might have snow by Thursday, but I'm gonna enjoy this while I can. It's actually perfect Easter weather. This is like exactly the kind of weather you think about when you think about Easter.
Pretty solid spread. My mom's famous chicken and rice. This, she said, was experimental mac and cheese, so no telling what that means. Cream corn, mashed potatoes, carrots, and we got the asparagus tart in the living room.
Food was delicious. Now I'm stuffed. Best part of today. Now, food coma, relax on the couch, watch the Masters. Is the Masters always Easter weekend? I feel like it should be, because this is like a perfect like Easter thing to be able to just like eat with the family, then plop down on the couch and watch the Masters. Quick shot of it right there. Don't want to get a copyright strike. This is, I don't know if I've ever shown this before, this is our little painting artwork thing we got for the Music City Miracle. It's got our tickets from the game inside the frame. It's pretty cool. Ooh, Jon Rahm's pulled ahead of Brooke Koepka. Koepka +1 on the day.
All right, here it is. 30 some odd years old, still getting Easter baskets. Just the way I planned it.
All right, back home, fun Easter, really laid back, really easy day. But the Braves are trying really hard to ruin it right now, losing 8-1 to the San Diego Padres, the bottom of the fifth. Just got to run those so maybe they can get something going. They have been on a skid in this series with the Padres. The Padres are killing them. We're on fire for the first two series. Now, ugh, gross. Masters was fun, though. I liked Jon Rahm. I'm a fan of his. My fandom in golf typically is based on, are you really good at golf so that I can root for you and expect you to win? Do you seem like you'd be a fun person to play golf with? So, Jon Rahm checks both boxes in that regard. Brooks Koepka does too. I've been a fan of his for a while. But I was, I'm a little disappointed in his choice to join LIV. But some of the explanations he's given this week, where he talked about he was dealing with a bunch of injuries. He thought his career might actually be kind of coming to an end, so he just kind of felt like it was a good opportunity to get one big payday to end his career. But now he's healthy, and he's gotten through the injury problems, and he's kind of not exactly said that he regrets going to LIV, but that if he felt this way, when he made the decision to go to LIV health-wise, he might not have made that decision. So, he's coming around, maybe turning back in the right direction, but we'll see what happens in the long run with him. But fun Masters, it was interesting. He was up early, and Jon Rahm just slowly started to chip away, and then Brooks started to slowly miss some shots. And fun day, good stuff. There wasn't any kind of crazy epic moment like that famous Tiger one that was just so awesome, where the ball just kind of set on the lip and then fell in. But it was a fun day to watch, especially, like I said, kind of fit perfectly on an Easter Sunday. Had the big Easter lunch, plopped down on the couch, and just vegged out and watched golf. It was kind of perfect. I think it should be every Easter Sunday should be the Masters. Do it. Listen to Uncle Mad. I think that's going to do it for Easter. If anything pops up before I go to bed, obviously I'll document it, record it, and add on a little bonus content at the end. But I'm pretty much just going to see if the Braves can get anything going here, watch a little baseball. Two best sports to just kind of lazy kick back and watch: golf and baseball, because there's not a whole lot going on, so they don't take a lot of energy and brain power to invest and watch. Baseball has been a lot better with the pitch clock, though, I will say that. But yeah, just going to watch the rest of this game. Hopefully the Braves maybe can get a little something going and not get completely embarrassed like they currently are, but we'll see what happens. I hope your Easter was as pleasant and enjoyable as mine was. Hope you have a great week coming up. Stay tuned. More content to come as always. Good night.